Number 9, it tells us we have two triangles that are similar, meaning all the angles match. We can see 50, 60, 50, 60. So this is 70 and this side is 70. And it basically means this triangle on the right, we simply expanded. We took it on a copy machine and blew it up maybe 120%, 140%. We just made it larger. So all the sides are in proportion. And that's what we're going to set up. So we're trying to find this side X. So I have to think first, X is between the 50 and 70. It corresponds with who? Well, don't be tricked. Between the 50 and 70 side is the 9. So this X corresponds with that 9. So X corresponds with the 9 as now here, the only measurement we have is 8. So we have to use 8. Who is 8 corresponding to? Now he's between 50 and 60. So we come over here. Who's between 50 and 60? That 10 side. And now we cross multiply to figure out, because we set up the correct corresponding sides. So I have 10 times X. So these multiply 10 times X equals 8 times 9, 72. Divide by 10 and you get X is 7 and 2/10. So X is 7.2. Number 10. Okay, so again, we have a similar triangles. They're similar. 50, 60, 70, 50, 60, 70. We have to set up the correct sides. We're trying to find X, so I'm going to start with him. Here's X. X corresponds with who over here? We have 60 and 70. Who's 60 and 70? That's the 15 side. All right, the only other measurement we have is 6. So 6 corresponds, he's between 50 and 60. 50 and 60 is the 10. So we cross multiply. We could simplify 6/10, but no need. 10x equals 6 times 5, which is 90. Divide by 10, you get x is a beautiful who? 9. There's the answer for figure 10.